Okay, this is the start of lesson 64, which are angles that are inside circles and how to figure out what they measure. First of all, we need to know some terminology. And if we have a circle like so, and we have E, F, and D. Okay, so in this angle EDF, this angle right here, and this is subtended, we call it subtended by EF, okay? So wherever the angle is, and then you go to find the arc, okay? So you go the opposite, right across from it to find the arc. And that is called subtended. Now you're going to need to know how to find these. Look at the circles and find these in order to figure out what the angles are. Okay, so this is an inscribed angle. We've talked about this before, right? It's on the circle here. Ascribed angle is 1/2 of the arc. That subtends it. That's how we determine its measurement. Okay, but now we are going to look at circles that have tangent lines. Okay, and we learned what a tangent line was. There's just one point that hits the circle, okay? And then we're going to have a, let me move this and say it's right here so it doesn't look in the center. And then we're going to draw a chord. Okay, now if this chord goes straight through the middle of the circle, we know that that angle is going to measure 90. But if this chord, that's very important, if this chord does not go straight through the circle, if it is not the diameter of the circle, it is going to have a different measurement. And the measurement it is going to have is, let me give you an example, B, let's see, let's put some points on here, C, D, and A is right here. And the measurement, they're going to ask you the measurement of this angle right here. Now, if that went through the circle, it would be 90 degrees, but it does not go through the circle. It has a subtended angle here, portion of the circle, subtended right here, and that whole entire measurement right here is 188 degrees. And if the whole entire angle is 188 degrees, the subtended angle from this one, from the tangent, this is 1/2. So this is 94 degrees. This one right here is 94 degrees. Okay, let's look at another one. Let's look at another one here. And we've got a tangent line right here. Say our tangent's right here. And then say our chord is right here. There's our chord. And we know that this right here is 30 degrees. Okay, this angle right here is 30 degrees where this chord is and the tangent point. Then what is the measure? This is the angle, so you look directly across, look straight across here. So this right here is the arc, subtended arc, and that is going to be 2 times the angle. So it is 60 degrees. Okay, now we're going to look at a different type. Okay, that's for the tangents. And this is all explained real well in your book. Now we're going to look at the type that is got 2 chords in the middle that intersect. So they're not directly in the center. Mine kind of looks like they are, but they're not directly in the center. And you'll look at the way to find the measurement of angle 1 is to take, let me go ahead and put some A, B, C, D, is to take you're going to look at the subtendon on both sides here, okay? So if it's angle 1, it's going to be A, B, and CD. So it's going to be angle 1. Angle 1 will be the measurement. It will be 1/2 the measurement of AB in this example plus CD. Okay, so that's what the measurement of this one will be. So you take on each side of it, the angle 1, and then you take 1/2 of that measurement. Here for angle 2, you're going to use this one, BD, plus AC, and then 1/2 of it for the measure of that one. That is intersecting chords. That's when you have intersecting chords, and they are equal to the intersected arcs. Okay, these are called the intersected arcs for angle 1. So it's right here and 1/2 of that. Let's see if we can find one with some numbers on it so you can see that. So this one is TR and QS, and we've got X here and 70 degrees here, and around here is 195 degrees. And to figure out what the degree of X is, you will take the intersecting arcs, this one and this one. So you'll take 70 plus 195, and then you will take 1/2 of them, and that will be what X is equal to. So 1/2 of 70 and 195 makes X equal to 132.5 degrees. Okay. That pretty much covers this whole section of lesson 64. And then I have, on the email I sent to your mom, we'll have your homework assignment for this section.